Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace Cadillac ATS Headlight, easy method. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Remove the wheel and inner fender liner or access via the bumper clips to reach the headlight assembly. Keep replacement bulbs and new clips on hand and test the new headlight before reassembling to confirm proper operation. Begin by loosening lug nuts and safely lifting the car with jack, stands for wheel well access. Remove the wheel if needed and peel back the inner fender liner to reveal mounting bolts and clips securing the headlight assembly. Unbolt the assembly, support it with one hand, then disconnect the wiring harness and bulb connectors gently to avoid breaking plastic tabs or scratching painted surfaces. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. On another note, quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free music, timers, and voice answers while you work on your car, and it fits neatly in a garage shelf. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement headlight assembly into its mounting position and hand-thread bolts to ensure correct alignment without cross-threading. Reconnect the wiring harness and briefly reconnect the battery to test both low and high beams, plus turn signals before fully tightening. Once confirmed, secure all bolts to proper torque, reattach the inner fender liner and wheel, lower the car, and torque lug nuts to spec for a safe, finished job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.